how much does the Vortex Razor H spotting scope cost? If you are a birding enthusiast, you might be curious about the cost of the Vortex Razor H spotting scope. This premium spotting scope is known for its high-quality optics and durability, making it a top choice for serious bird watchers. The price can vary based on the specific model and features you choose. For instance, the Vortex Razor H 20-48 x 65mm angled spotting scope kit is priced between $1,199 and $1,849. This model boasts high-end optics with premium high-definition glass, ensuring you get sharp and clear images. It is also waterproof and fog-proof, making it suitable for various weather conditions. The magnification range of this scope goes from 22 times to 48 times, allowing you to see birds from great distances. If you are looking for a more compact option, the Vortex Razor H 1339 x 56 angled spotting scope is available for around $999. This model is lightweight and designed for portability, making it easier to carry on your birding adventures. It still offers premium optics, ensuring you do not sacrifice quality for convenience. Another option in the Razor H series is the Vortex Razor H 2760 x 85 spotting scope. Though exact pricing for this model can be less commonly listed, it typically falls within the higher price range of the Razor H series. This scope is known for its exceptional performance and is considered one of the finest on the market. Bird watchers appreciate these scopes for their ability to provide sharp, clear, and true-to-life views of birds, even from a distance. The high-definition optics and durable, weatherproof design allow you to observe intricate details like plumage colors and behaviors without disturbing the birds. The price reflects the quality and precision needed to enjoy birding to the fullest. If you are serious about birding and want to experience nature up close with clarity and accuracy, investing in a Vortex Razor H spotting scope could be a great choice for you.